kadaling alisin ka sa buhay kong ito.
Sino ba kumibig ng iba?
Pero di rin nawala
ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Sa tuwing kapiling siya'y ikaw ang nasa isip. At kahit maging panaginip, may ika'y nakapaligid.
Pinipilit kong lumayo, ngunit pilitin ay bumabalik sa'yo.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap marapat, na kahit magpanggap di matatago ng ang iyong yakap. Ang hanap-hanap marapat mo, di nagbabago. Ikaw ang hanap-hanap marapat, para sa puso nangangarap, umaasa magsasamang muli.
It's hilarious. Just imagine, what if one day you find out that Venus is your sister, but you still love her?
What do you think? One day you'll
Find
find.
out that Venus is your sister, but you still love her. Hey guys, thank you for joining me on my what's it called? Live chat. Hope I can answer your questions. Sorry I couldn't get to answer yours, but thank you guys so much for joining me. And I just want to invite you all to watch this time